it is not up to 24 hours after Google Whisk stopped working, and literally almost about 70% of faceless content creators are decrying the fact that they can't find a free AI tool that can help them with image generation. Not just finding a free AI tool that will help them with image generation, a free AI tool that will give them the quality that Google Whisk used to give. Now, like, I am so astonished that so many content creators are not even aware of the fact that Google Whisk did notify us, I think 3 weeks before. No, not 3 weeks, 3 months I meant to say. They notified us about 3 months ahead, telling us that we should transfer all our projects from Google Whisk down to Flow. So guys, do not worry. If you're looking for an AI tool that you can use in generating your images for free with high quality and everything, now this video is for you. So at this point, I am urging you to watch it from start to finish. Do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel, do well to like this video, and do not forget to leave a video request in the comment section. So because I don't want this video to be long, let us just go straight to it. Let me introduce you to that free AI tool that does magic. So at this point, I am heading over to my Google. So this is my Google. I'll go ahead and type Google Whisk. Google Whisk. I know you're like, Google Whisk is no longer working. Don't worry, calm down. I will show you how to use Google Whisk again. So I'm going ahead to click on Google Whisk. This is the interface it has brought me to. I'll go ahead and click on this first option here. I have clicked on it and it will take me to another interface. So at this point, it is loading. It is loading. So here it says create some magic, enter tool. All I'll have to do is for me to go ahead and click on enter tool. I'll go ahead and click on enter tool. I saw in my comment section, I think the comment section of the video I made yesterday, where people are complaining that they can't use it. So here it is telling me to choose an account. I'll go ahead and choose this particular account here. I've gone ahead to choose this particular account. I'll wait for it to get done. Now guys, at this point it is telling me welcome to Flow. Thank you for being Whisk user. Image and video generation have moved to Flow. Now all I have to do at this point is for me to go ahead and click get started with Flow. Get started with Flow. I've gone ahead to click get started with Flow. I've gone ahead to click this. So immediately I clicked on get started with Flow. It brought me to this interface. So all I will do at this point is for me to go ahead and click on create with Flow. I'll go ahead and click on create with Flow. So let me remove my phone from desktop side so that you see everything I have to show you. Now I clicked on create with Flow and it will show me other things. This is the interface, guys. So I've clicked on create with Flow. It is telling me to choose an email account. I'll choose any email account of my choice. Now I know why I'm choosing any account of my choice. If I go ahead to choose the one I used in getting Google Pro for free, you guys may think that I am trying to deceive you, that I'm not going to generate unlimited numbers of images for free. Don't worry, I'll prove everything to you. Now let me start this very fast. If you're a new user, if you click on your profile at the top right hand side, you'll be given 150 credits. So this particular email account, I've not used it to do anything on Google and all of that. So okay, if it shows like this, don't worry, click on sign in with Google again. If it shows like this, it may be network. If it shows like this, just go ahead and click on sign in with Google. Like I was saying, I've chosen this email. Let me choose this one. I've chosen this email account. So if you log into Flow or you log into Google Whisk, if you check at the top right hand side, fine, we are here. So let me just show you the practical aspects of what I'm talking about now. Okay, wait, what is happening? Okay, so at this point it says experience and sharp AI. All I'll have to do is for me to go ahead and click on. I'll go ahead and click on next. I'll go ahead and click on next. Now after clicking on next, this continue is not highlighted. This continue is not highlighted. I'll keep scrolling like this. Now once you scroll to the end, that's when this continue will highlight. You understand? I'm gonna hit to click on the continue. I've clicked on it and this is the interface. Now let me show you what I was trying to explain to you. Now if you come here, you see your profile. You see your profile. Now let me click on my profile. I've clicked on it. I don't know if you can see, I have 150 credits here. I have 150 credits here. This is not the email account I used for my Google Pro, like I used in getting Google Pro. If it were, it would have been over 700 credits. You understand? Because Google gives me 1000 credits every month. So what I'll do now is for me to go ahead and click on continue. So here I'll go ahead and click on new project. I have clicked on new project and it will take me to another interface. Now do you know why I told you that you'll be creating good quality images? You're not just creating images, you're creating with Nano Banana. Now guys, it has brought me to this interface. If you look here, you see Nano Banana 2. Now you see this plus sign here. All I will do at this point is for me to go ahead and click on the plus sign. Now I've clicked on the plus sign. I have clicked on the plus sign. It says, what do you want to create? What do you want to create? Now if you look here, you see Nano Banana, you see ×4. You go ahead and click on it. You click on the Nano Banana, this one here, this Nano Banana. You click on it. Now once you click on it, here we have image, here we have video. So ensure that the image is highlighted. Ensure the image is highlighted. Now if you wanted to generate 4 images for you at a go, you can go ahead and click on 4 here. If you wanted to generate 3, you go ahead and choose 3. If you wanted to generate 2, you go ahead and choose 2. So at this point, I'll go ahead and choose 4. I want to choose 4, so that will show you that it is generating for free. Like I am not being charged. I've not put my credit card. I've not put anything. So here I'll go ahead and type what I want. I will just give it a very simple prompt because I don't want this video to be long. I will say, give me an image of a beautiful white cat. A beautiful white cat running in a snow. This is the prompt. Now I'll go ahead and tell it to generate. Now look at this very well. It is under 4, meaning that it will be generating 4 images for me. Now go ahead and hit generate. I've gone ahead to hit generate. This is it. This is the interface. This is the first one, the second one, and the third one and the fourth one. Now it is generating simultaneously for me. You know the good thing is that if it generates if you don't like the first one, if you don't like the second one, who knows, you might like the third one or the fourth one. So you can just go ahead and choose. So this is better than Google Whisk. I'm sorry to say, I know I used to like Google Whisk a whole lot. This is better than Google Whisk in the sense that with this particular one, you generate 4 images at a go. At this point, it is done generating. Like it's already loading, almost to open. All of them are done. So if you look at these images, like right now, look at them from different angles. This is from different angles. Look at the images. Now for you to download, you go ahead and click on the image. Now that I've clicked on the image, I will go ahead and long press. After long pressing, if you look up here, you see this download icon. You see the download icon. You go ahead and click on the download icon. So here it has it in 1K, it has it in 2K, it has it in 4K. So you just go ahead and click on download. So I've gone ahead to choose, I've chosen 1K. I'll click on download again, and this is it. So please ensure you're choosing 1K. Do not choose 4K or 2K, so that you won't be charged from your 150 credits. So at this point, for those persons always like it is not for free, it is not this, let's go back and check our credits. Let's go back and check our credits. Now I'm gonna head to click on my profile. I have clicked on my profile. Oh my goodness, that was a mistake. So let me click on it. My phone is misbehaving. I've clicked on my credit. I've clicked on my profile, and it has brought out my credit again for me. I still have my 150 credits. I still have my 150 credits. Remember, when we first checked, these images were not here. So what are you waiting for? Use this opportunity to generate your images. I don't want people telling me that, oh, I can't generate images again because Google Whisk is not here. Google Whisk has gone. What do I do? Will I stop my career here and all of that? I don't want to hear that, please. Mostly if you're in my community. So flow is here to stay, and by God's grace, I believe it will stay longer. So thank you so much for watching up to this point. See you guys in my next video, and bye for now.